Hello IngramSpark community, I'm Anne Marie. In this video, we will share information about the print-on-demand services and ebook distribution services offered through IngramSpark. If you're reading a book, Ingram is probably behind it. For more than 50 years, Ingram has been serving the book industry and delivering books into the hands of readers everywhere. Ingram offers one of the largest global distribution networks available, reaching more than 40,000 distributors, wholesalers, retail outlets, bookstores, libraries, and schools. We'll refer to them as booksellers and retailers in this video. To take advantage of Ingram's print-on-demand distribution services, the book must be printed in one of the many standard trim sizes IngramSpark offers, and it must be assigned a valid ISBN. You can provide us with a print-ready PDF file for your book interior and a separate PDF file for the cover, or use our free Bookbuilding Tool to create the files we need to print your book. Add pricing for your book in the markets where you would like your book sold, and your print book can be listed as available for sale to Ingram's global distribution network of booksellers around the world. Ingram will show the book as in stock and displays a virtual inventory of stock through iPage, which is Ingram's online catalog and ordering platform booksellers use to order books. When someone purchases your book from a bookseller, the order is submitted to Ingram, where the order is printed on demand as it's sold and is shipped to the bookseller. When the bookseller receives the order, they will deliver it to the purchaser. If the book is damaged during shipping, or if there's a problem with the order, the purchaser will address the concern with the bookseller they purchased it from, and not directly with you. IngramSpark pays you compensation earnings for books sold through Ingram's global distribution network, approximately 90 days after the sale of the book. Publisher compensation payments are calculated based on the retail price you set, minus the wholesale discount you offer, minus the print cost we charge. Whatever's left is what we pay you for every book sold. And don't miss the world of readers who only read ebooks. Publishing your ebook with IngramSpark gives you access to one of the world's largest online distribution networks, including major retailers such as Amazon, Apple, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, and many others. IngramSpark ebook channels also include subscriptions, libraries, and more. This means your ebooks will be available in more places and in more ways, including lending services. You'll provide us with a valid ISBN, an EPUB file for your ebook, and provide the retail price and all the markets you would like your ebook to be sold. Each of IngramSpark's ebook retail and library partners have unique file requirements. A valid EPUB file created with our outline specifications enables us to meet the ebook file requirements of each partner, getting your ebook where it belongs, on every device. You'll provide us with a valid ISBN and an EPUB file for your ebook. If you don't have an EPUB, you can use our free Bookbuilding Tool to create the EPUB file, or take advantage of our affordable ebook conversion services. You receive 85% of the net revenue received by Ingram for every sale of your ebooks, no matter who the retailer is. Be sure to check out our knowledge-based articles of information as well as our other videos. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!